Vapor Phase Cleaning Machine Vapor SUI Mini, a new generation water-free vapor phase cleaning equipment, efficiently cleans electronic microwave components and semiconductor devices, minimizes solvent volatilization and consumption, and adapts to precision cleaning needs in multiple scenarios. Flux cleaning for macro standard of ultra-precision modules, optical module, and microwave micro-assembly modules cleaning. Cleaning before chip packaging after component cleaning, meeting the needs of water-free cleaning and wastewater-free discharge factories. High-flow cleaning with spray immersion, spray-in-air basket oscillation, combined with rinsing, vapor rinsing, and composition driving, reducing cleaning bland spots, stronger cleaning power. Built-in filter for solvent recycling, we provide customizable baskets and fixtures. Modular structure makes transportation easier. Fully controlled by industrial PC with flexible process setting.